NRTL stands for a nationally recognized testing laboratory, and they are independent third-party entities that have been certified by OSHA to perform product and process evaluations to ensure that a product meets all of the updated standards, codes, and laws that are issued by organizations such as NFPA, UL, the NEC, etc. An NRTL certification is a process that verifies a product is safe and appropriate for a given application, and it means that it's undergone stringent evaluation both on a design standpoint, a construction and testing standpoint, and also a quality control standpoint. When an NRTL mark is seen on a product, it means that the product in question has gone through rigorous safety and compliance testing to ensure that it meets all of the updated safety standards, and it ensures that the product you're getting will meet your requirements. Products containing NRTL or NERDL certifications have grown in popularity in the past 50 years. There's increased focus corporately on safety and reliability. There are new standards that are being issued by governmental and non-governmental regulatory bodies, as well as insurance companies that are mandating this in order to reduce their insurance premiums or risk of loss. The third-party NERDL that we worked with was Underwriters Laboratory, or UL. We went through a design phase where we got our designs reviewed and approved by the engineers at UL. Then we created construction samples where UL verified that our construction sample met the design criteria that was agreed to during the engineering design phase. Our heaters went through rigorous testing after the construction review. They were subjected to destructive tests to ensure that the heaters would be safe and reliable for many years to come. Heat also carries ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers. We're able to manufacture and produce our own pressure vessels that go along with the UL listed heaters. So between both mechanical and electrical certifications, Heat can offer a variety of robust solutions for our end users. I think that the industry is moving in this direction, and those who want to have safe, reliable performance are going to maintain these certifications and seek them moving forward. This could be beneficial to any industry and application as time goes on and companies become more focused and aware of safety and reliability. This is going to become more prevalent in all industries and applications, namely pharmaceutical, aerospace, the chemical industry, to name a few, are very important when it comes to the third-party NRTL certifications, and now Heat has the ability to do this. Heat has always manufactured safe, reliable solutions, and this is just another feather in the cap of Heat to be able to manufacture solutions that are recognized by a third-party accredited organization such as UL. The ability to produce UL-listed heaters gives our customers a peace of mind. We're able to design and fabricate robust temperature control solutions and deliver them in a best-in-class fashion. Our designs are robust enough to go through the certification process. We are one of the few manufacturers in North America that can do this when it comes to this type of equipment. When you put this solution into your plant, it's going to perform reliably and safely for many years to come. Heat's promise to our customers is to provide temperature control solutions that are safe, reliable, and offer the performance that your process requires. And having these UL certifications is just another way of living up to that brand promise. Our products and designs have remained unchanged. It's just that they have been evaluated by third-party experts, and now we have an additional party that stands behind what we're providing. And it's not just our word, it's also the word of independent experts as well. I think when it comes to choosing Heat over a competitor that can offer a similar product, also listed by a third-party NERDL, it comes down to the people and the people behind the product. When you work with Heat, you get a personal experience. You're talking to a person, you're talking to an engineer. Our team is small and nimble, and we're able to provide these robust solutions to meet your project needs, whether that's fast delivery or special materials and construction and special voltages and design. Heat can now offer products that will make this process both simple and cost effective. And now it can be UL ready.